What happens if you take two dogs into a pet store to buy one a coat? Chaos. That's what happens. And now they're fighting. Yeah, what are you whinging about, boy? Smart little lad.
Where are we going? Whoa.
Somebody's just farted. Who farted?
Who Bart? No.
Oh, you stink. Oh, I'm going to be sick. Oh my God. Bart, was that you?
It's a Frenchy fart.
Oh, Jesus. I don't feel very good.
Horrendous.
Just some cheese. 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 You don't want any cheese.
You're so cool. Where's he jumping? He's barking, he's growling now.
Hey, what's that for? Hey, what's all that noise for?
Yes, we're getting a fish. You're going straight home, aren't you? Yeah.
But, don't you look daft, boy.
He doesn't like it.
Why has he got a hood?
The hood doesn't even go on his big ears, look. Rubbish.
Out. Out. What have you got now there? What have you found? Go on then, show us what you're after. Hang on. Oh, I've dropped it. There's a dog under there. Get out of there, you little Tiddles out. Get out. Is it Kipper? Do you like the piggy? Do you like the little pig? No. Found him. All we need now is a blue siren, innit, Bart? Bart, did we get your blue siren look like a copper? Yeah. We'll put a car. Oh yeah, we did it. We got a coat for Bart. Let's go and test it out in the dark with headlamps. A pug in night shot. It's Bart Dog, the police dog, and his companion Tiddles. Ooh. Ooh. Right, that's the end, people. That's Sunday's vlog. Probably put it out on a Tuesday or a Monday or a Wednesday when I can be bothered to put it all together. Complete chaos. We was going to go metal detect him, but it chugs it down with rain. So instead, we went to buy a coat for the dog. See you later, guys and girls.